Meaning of fiercely.
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 Fiercely. Fiercely means to do something with intense effort, passion, and determination. It implies an attitude of unyielding determination and the use of all available resources to achieve a goal. When someone acts fiercely, they are willing to take risks, push their limits, and persist through obstacles to reach their objective. A person who approaches a challenge fiercely is likely to be unstoppable, unrelenting, and driven by a deep sense of purpose. Ultimately, acting fiercely can lead to great success and a fulfilling sense of accomplishment.